This is one of our more popular models. This is a Quailridge. It's unit number 11225. It's a 2016 Quailridge 39 CBDL. It's a flat floor loft, extra tall. Shows are all about signs. Turn this fireplace on. Sleeper sofa. You got LEDs everywhere. Dimmable LEDs. Got one light that's not on. MSRP on this model here just happens to be $56,500. That doesn't include freight or delivery. This is my show unit. If you stop by and see me, I usually have a Coors Light or a soda pop for you. Nice big bedroom. This model is fairly popular. You got a tub and a shower, window in the bathroom. You got a linen closet under the stairs. Lots of storage all the way around. And a great big loft. And we also have LED lighting in the loft. So there you have it. Once again, this is a 2016 Quailridge 39 CBDL. Nice big wraparound hutch. Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. How about yourself?
Good, thank you.
Did you sell any trailers while I was gone?
Unfortunately, we did not.
All right. And that concludes our Rosemont show tour.